Hi campers, I'm Logan Gregoire at Country Camper, and I'm joined today by our service expert, Ethan Winkler. And we're gonna take you through the all-new Coachmen Catalina 30THS. We're enjoying this new unit. It's one of the greatest floor plans that we've seen from Coachmen Catalina in a long time. And we're actually enjoying the Thomas Paine recliner chairs that they provide in the unit. These are movable. They can go into the interior of the coach, but we're gonna jump right into the general specs. So this coach is just about, it's 36 feet long. It's got an unloaded vehicle weight of just over 7,500 pounds, giving us a cargo carrying capacity of about 3,000 pounds. So Ethan, I know you're pretty familiar when it comes to the toy hauler side, making sure that you're hitting the right capacities. We're on the party deck system right now. What's the capacity here?
So this is rated for 3,000 pounds for your ramp use. The cargo capacity for the back end of this is not quite there. It's about 2,000 pounds for whatever you load in there. So you got to be mindful with that. As far as what Logan and I are doing right now, we're nowhere near to capacity. So it just kind of shows you what your options are for back here with this ramp. You see, we got the gate surrounding us. So if you do have kids, pets, anything like that, I mean, the options are kind of endless here.
Now, with this Coachmen Catalina, it's pretty cool. It features the brand new exterior package. We had highlighted that in another video, but the new graphics, especially the front cap on this Coachmen toy hauler, is just, it's really sharp. And so with that, they've actually added a bunch of additional features, even on the front of the coach, right? So you and I were looking at that before we started filming here, but they've actually got a generator rack. Why is that a benefit?
I mean, so what I've learned about folks that buy these toy haulers is they do races, they go off the grid, so there's not always options for hookups. So having that generator rack in the front of this trailer is going to allow them to bring that generator with them, not needing to put it in the bed of the truck, not needing to store it in the trailer itself. You strap it down in the front. If the cord's long enough for you, you could even have it run up there in the front too. So having that rack it's wasted space up there without having it. So them putting it on there is huge.
It is, and I think that's the mindful approach that Coachmen Catalina has had. They do have, some new management, some that we're really familiar with, and I know that they're very innovative in the industry. So I love to see those kind of upgrades. They also added just simple things that make life easier, like a battery disconnect. We deal with how many calls related to batteries? Explain why the battery disconnect is important.
I mean, yeah, and I know after we got the first one on the lot, we saw that Catalina was doing the battery disconnects, and all of us on the service side were like, oh my God, that's gonna eliminate so many phone calls about customers wondering why their batteries are dying, why they're going out to the trailer and the battery's dead. So them throwing that on there, it's the smallest thing, but yet it's one of the biggest things for customers and even dealerships on the service side. So sure. That's great.
Yeah, that's huge. And so another really cool feature, especially on the 30THS, is the fact that they provided you with a solar package. So let's dig into, the solar, that's roof-mounted solar panel. They've got a built-in controller that can basically be expanded on, but solar. Talk about it. Tell me about it here.
And I'm going to touch base on what I was just talking about with the generator rack. A lot of these customers that are buying these are doing off the grid. They're going to these races, and even like at nighttime, there's quiet times, so you can't run that generator. So for them to be able to have that solar panel up there, charge their battery bank, so that way when it is time to kind of shut down for the night, they have their power, they can do their lights. The refrigerator, that's 12 volts, the furnace, water heater. So, that's huge. And I think this has to be the first time I've seen Catalinas with the solar panel. So for them to do that for this year, it's great.
Yeah, it's huge on this 30THS. I mean, you think about also, right, something we've been talking about, it's an emerging theme in the industry, and you're gonna see more content from us on it, but 12-volt refrigerator, right? So they're coming standard with this 12-volt refrigerator. There is an option if someone really insists on having the gas electric. Now, I will caution, we're going to be transparent, you and I, that's what we're, kind of putting this content out there. Gas electric, sometimes there can be shortages, and there's some part shortages right now. So who knows if Catalina will keep that. But the 12 volt, I think that's the right choice to make, and having it, stock in this 30THS.
I mean, the cooling time alone is a huge selling feature for this. The dependability is, I mean, it's just, at least for myself, hearing that a trailer has a 12-volt fridge it's huge, because there's more issues with the 3-way fridges with cooling, because the trailer has to be perfectly level. The battery voltage has to be right, the propane has to be full. So obviously with this being a 12-volt fridge only, the battery voltage has to be there, but it's just the dependability of the cooling on it. The timing it takes to cool it is a fraction of the time compared to the ammonia-based cooling unit fridges. So
it's a huge upgrade.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. So, and then, I know I'm kind of jumping around here, but there's just so many features to unpack on this Catalina. So on the 30THS and a lot of other Legacy Edition Catalinas, on the exterior, you do have the Carefree awning with a bunch of different LED lights. There's a ton of different colors. I think it's pretty neat, right? Camping is about sometimes being unique and having a different experience, and even just having that, say you have kids, grandkids, or whatever out, it's just a kind of a different look to have all the different colors under your awning.
So little things.
Yeah, exactly. And then they've got leash link if you do want to bring pets. You've also got the new JBL sound system. So this, when talking about the little things, right? People will just see speakers on the exterior of an RV, and they'll be like, well, that should be there because everybody else has them. Well, that's true, but premium items come with premium price tags. And so I know for a fact that the top management at Coachmen Catalina chose to spend more money on the JBL system because it was going to provide a better experience for their customers. So I mean, you've seen a bunch of different speaker systems, but I'd say that's one of the better ones out there.
Oh, absolutely. In this industry, yeah, that's way up there.
And it's going to have an integration too, with your TV system. This does come with a nice big screen TV that's, right in your central living area. Now, speaking of kind of mentioning a central living area, this has a 16-foot garage.
Massive.
It's insane when you think about, in this traditional built trailer, it comes in at a great price point. It's a very affordable unit with a lot of versatility, but you can literally bring side-by-sides, ATVs, you can bring motorcycles, you can bring multiple motorcycles, you can bring dirt bikes, kayaks. Say you have a hunting camp, you can bring multiple chest freezers. If you're big into fishing, all the tackle, the longest fishing poles you could possibly think of. I mean, it's crazy, right?
And it has a slide out.
Yeah,
what other unit has a 16-foot garage and a slide out?
I mean, it's very few and far. I can't off the top of my head. I mean, and also the way that they laid this out, right? So when you look at the kitchen in this 30THS, it's really nice. I mean, they have screwed and glued cabinetry, so you're not dealing with staples, so it's a better build quality. You've got the 5/8 tongue and groove flooring. And then we've already hit on the 12-volt refrigerator, but it's just a really nice, there's a lot of nice finishes. The stainless style look. They've also got the one-piece kind of the countertops. Yep. It's just unbelievable in terms of, well, usually, you're seeing like OSB underneath, and you get any water under that, it's going to deteriorate. So it's a really nice kind of upgrade in that kitchen as well.
Oh, it's just a great built trailer all around with the features they've added and everything that they've done over the last year to this it's great.
Yeah, it's huge. And then thinking about it, I kind of miss this, but again, it's so much to unpack. This with the big garage, bringing along all your toys, it does have a fuel station. Yep. So 30 gallons, pretty significant. But I think that the most impressive thing is the freshwater capacity on this, 98 gallons.
It's off the grid.
Isn't that crazy? You have so much capacity and so much ability to just basically stay out there, right? If you are, hunting, fishing, out at the track, you can basically do anything when it comes to this Catalina 30THS.
And that's where the solar comes into play too. You just flip that pump on, you got your 12-volt supply, so that having that 90 gallons it's a lot of water.
It really is. So, Ethan, anything else that you would want to point out? I think, you look from the bedroom to the kitchen area and the bathroom. It's a great setup. I do. I'm looking right at it right now. I can't believe there's like 1 million tie downs in this thing. Getting away a little bit from the hyperbole, there's literally, I think, 18 tie downs or there's at least 15. Those have a 500-pound capacity, and there's actually metal to metal contact. So it's a pretty secure fit sit in the garage. Something to be really excited about.
Peace of mind when you're strapping your motorcycles, four-wheelers, dirt bikes.
Yeah. And then, with this Happy Jack system as well, you do have a bunk system. So if you do bring any friends, any loved ones, you have that as well. And that's actually an electric system, so that you can move those up and down and have the versatility if you do need the clearance for taller toys, or if, some people when they travel too, they'll be traveling with a lot of valuables. And so they'll actually kind of store them and kind of push them up so that they're held into place. But it's on that electric system, so pretty easy to use and a lot of versatility.
Push of a button.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I would say that Coachmen Catalina hit it out of the park on this 30THS. And, if people did like what they saw today, if they like the dialogue, please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you for your viewership.